In this video, we are going to talk about the ZkSync era airdrop and few of the updates. Now, before we move on to that, I have two invite codes for this week's quota over here on GRVT. So if you want to go ahead and sign up on GRVT, you can do this. Links in the description, or alternatively, you can go to their website and use this code over here. Now, one of the update with regards to ZkSync is now you can convert your USDC E to USDC native token over here, as you can see. Now, this one was by Circle, and now it's successfully implemented on COOEPWD, Maverick Protocol, and Velocore. So, if you want to go ahead, you can swap your USDC E to USDC now. So, basically, what this means is we should expect USDC to come in all the centralized exchange on the ZkSync era mainnet soon. So hopefully you would be able to directly transfer your USDC from your MetaMask wallet on the ZkSync era network to centralized exchange in few days. Now I'm not sure which centralized exchange have already implemented it, but I think it's not implemented yet, but we can see it soon. So you can do this on COOEPWD over here, and similarly you can do this on Maverick Protocol and also on Velocore. Now Bigint has a new launchpad over here. Now if you hold specific NFTs on ZkSync era, I think they have their own NFT collection which is called as Picasso, I think so. And if you hold like 5 of those, or maybe if you hold V-Bears and Sob NFTs, then you would be eligible to mint this Dwarfling NFTs for absolutely free. Now we don't know what the supply would be and the mint would be and how much is the reserved amount. So as you can see, I have already checked in with my wallet and I am eligible for this one because I hold a lot of NFTs on ZkSync. So I mean across all, I have almost all the collections, and I think I have close to 350 to 400 NFTs in total on the ZkSync era ecosystem itself, and that's the reason why I am eligible for this. But even if you hold one of these like Sob or maybe V-Bears, then I think you should be eligible for this. You can go ahead and check it if you have those NFTs. Now Nansen had done one tweet on 1st of May, which they mentioned that we did a good job with Arbitrum airdrop and maybe we should help other teams. So indirectly it's indicating that I think it's working with ZkSync era in order to airdrop to the community, which is a good sign. Although none of this is guaranteed, but I'm 99% sure that they are working with ZkSync in order to give us the airdrop. Now we really don't know when the airdrop would be because the team hasn't announced anything yet, but hopefully we get some good news maybe in this month, which is May. And as you can see, these guys had a meeting in the past, like Pudgy Penguins, Nansen, and also ZkSync. So we don't know what happened in the meeting, but we only know that there was a discussion ranging from Pudgy Penguin toys and how it can be built on the ZkSync era ecosystem. Now if we talk about the Gitcoin, I think I'm not sure about this, but whether ZkSync will consider using Gitcoin stamps or not. The reason being, now if we check, my score has dropped again. I mean the score is not consistent, to be honest. And if we go to Gitcoin staking over here, as you can see, now my Gitcoin stake is showing 0. So actually if I go down over here and if we go in season 20, it will show the amount of Gitcoin that I have staked. Now what you can do is basically you can unstake all, and then if you want to go ahead and stake it again, you can go back again over here and stake it over here and then get the score. Now I'm honestly not doing it because it's too much of a hassle of unstaking and then again restaking, and of course it will cost you gas fees because it's on the Ethereum mainnet. I'm happy with having a Gitcoin score of 20 plus, to be honest. Now I'm not sure whether ZkSync will take into consideration the Gitcoin score, especially after a lot of things that has happened in the past with regards to the fluctuating points for most of the users. Now still they're trying their hard in order to retain the relationship with ZkSync era, but we are not sure. whether Gitcoin would be used as a criteria, or maybe Nansen, or maybe a mix of both of them in order to filter out the Sibils. Now if we go ahead and check the Nansen's data over here, as you can see the unique depositors, there was a sharp spike from you can say March of 2023 till October. Now things have started to slow down on the ZkSync era. As you can see, we don't see many unique depositors now coming to ZkSync era. Probably they must be waiting for the liquidity to flow in ZkSync era. The reason being most of them should be waiting for the token, I think so, of ZkSync era. Hopefully it's airdrop, so that millions of liquidity will start flowing in on ZkSync era network. Now I will exactly show you the different TVLs with regards to L2s on the Ethereum mainnet. Now if we talk about the net USD flows on the ZkSync era, about $20,000, it's moving sideways. Hopefully we see this going up again, so that billions of liquidity start flowing in on ZkSync era. And as you can see, it's one of the similar charts, like in till March 2024 this was good, like smart money deposits, and now again it's going sideways. So to be honest, new money is not flowing in ZkSync era as of now, but I mean things can change at any given point of time, because this is crypto. And basically you can see all the wallet age over here. So around 33.27% of the ZkSync era breachers have a wallet year of more than 1 year, and similarly you can go ahead and check the rest of these details. Now also you can check all the analytics with regards to the paymaster transactions on Dune analytics. And also what you can do is I mean this is not guaranteed, but I would advise is like at least to have like around 10 plus different paymaster transactions on the ZkSync era, because ZkSync era allows paymaster transactions. So basically I will go ahead and show you the example over here. Now if you go to Velocore over here, on the top over here you have to click over here and change this from Ethereum to any other coin or token that you want to use at, that you want to go ahead and use at paymaster. Now once you do that, simply go ahead and complete the swap transaction, then the paymasters would be initiated. Now with regards to total locked value, as you can see Arbitrum is still the leader with an overall TVL of around 16.42 billion, followed by Optimism, and then Base and Blast and Mantle Starknet. Now ZkSync era is on the 8th rank. Hopefully if they do the token airdrop or the coin airdrop, you can say we can expect ZkSync era to be like in maybe top 5 hopefully in terms of the total value locked, or maybe it can also compete with Base over here. Now I'm not sure it would be able to like go in like top 1 or 2, but we have to wait and watch. If ZkSync era becomes the favorite L2 for the community, then it's pretty much possible that it might overtake Arbitrum in the future. But there are some other L2s also that are doing pretty good, like for example a new L2 called Mode, which has a TVL of around 587 million, and I think Mode has announced an airdrop. Now the snapshot would be, I think, in mid of this month, I think, or 5th of May. I am not sure. Today is 4th of May. I will need to go ahead and check the tweet as to when the snapshot for Mode network airdrop will be. So some of the relatively newer L2s have already done the snapshot before ZkSync, and hopefully we get to see ZkSync also in action soon, and they do a decent airdrop for the community. Now for example Metis also has a decent total locked value. And if we talk about Scroll, now after the Denkan upgrade we can see some relaxation in the gas fees. Also still I mean Scroll is a bit expensive when it comes to the gas fees, and there are some new quests on the layer 3 which you can complete if you want to like farm Scroll airdrop. Now we are not sure whether when would be the Scroll airdrop, because they haven't announced any details yet, but I have completed all the layer 3 task on scroll. Let me go ahead and show you the task over here. I mean, it's pretty simple task. Now what will happen is like you will get something called as cubes once you complete this task on scroll over here. As you can see, currently they have like this 10 quest over here. Now this one is the new one. I will go ahead and complete it in some time. And basically they have this something called a scroll sprint. Now you will be getting these cubes over here. Now in order to qualify for the layer 3 airdrop as well, you will need to have minimum of like 100 cubes on layer 3. And when is the season ending? Let me check. So the season is ending in 7 days. So like anyone who has above 100 cubes, as you can see, they have mentioned the eligibility is confirmed and snapshot is in progress. So there would be a layer 3 airdrop soon as well. And this one is a funny image that has been going on Twitter. So as you can see, EigenLayer has like went ahead and declared claim date. Now community beaten EigenLayer up, and then suddenly ZkSync was watching, and then layer 0 came and they also announced, and the community was not happy, and ZkSync is still waiting as to when to give the airdrop to the community. So these are some of the updates with regards to the airdrop on ZkSync and few other updates on ZkSync. And this is all for this video. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.